5 minus 7 over 2 minus 3. Yeah? Hang on, this is a bit smaller. Okay. 1. Waiting. Let's do this in our head while we can. So here, if you can see, it was 5 minus 7 over 2 minus 3. So what's that? Is that minus 2? 5 minus 7, 2. Was it 2? Yeah. Okay, so question 1. We had m equals 5 minus 7 over 2 minus 3, which is 2. So you have y equals 2x plus c. Then you can take the point 25 and put it in. So you get 10 equals 4 plus c. C equals 6. Yeah? Y equals 2x plus 6. So the answer was 2 and 6 then for the first one. Okay.
From where you find the
The what?
From where you find it?
From what?
The 10.
The 10?
Yeah.
The 10. Oh no, that's wrong, yeah, isn't it? What should it have been? 5. Thank you, Fahad. I know he's Fahad. Just give me a second, I'm hungry. C is 1. Okay, question 2. Ready? It's another line question. So in number 2, oh by the way, later if you want you can try the quiz again. It's available for 2 attempts. You don't have to open it now because you have a time limit. But if you want to try it again, you can try it again. And I think I reopened it. Yeah. Okay, number 2. The line y equals 4x plus 1. This is a line, and the line we have is perpendicular to it and also passes through the point 4, 1. And we want this line. So here, if the slope is 4 here, then for this line it's minus 1 over 4. So we have y equals mx plus c. I put my c in. I get 1 equals minus 1 plus c. Correct? C equals 2. So my answer is y equals minus a quarter x plus 2. That's 4y equals minus x plus 8 if I multiply by 4. So I get x plus 4y minus 8 equals 0 as the answer. So the answer is 1, 4, minus 8. Yeah. Yeah. Is that enough? Yeah. So I'm missing 5 people, is it? I'm missing Dhruv and Yash and Sarah and Dennis again and Dylan and Jonathan sent me an email. Okay. Can I go to the next one now? Okay. Now Fahad? Okay. This is also recording as well. Number 3. Number 4. No, sorry. Number 3. Number 3. 2x plus 3y equals 7 and x plus y equals 3. Where do they meet? So here I think I'll multiply this by 2. Yeah? So that will be 2, 2, 6 then. And I get y equals 1 here when I minus them, yeah? And then if I put that back in here, I get x equals 5. So I think my answer is 5, 1.
No.
No? No.
X plus y equals 3.
Oh, sorry. No, yeah. 2. 2, 1. The answer, thank you. Okay. Number 4 now? Factorizing. But I helped you a little bit, because in the question I told you this was 1x plus number x plus number. So this has to be 8, because we need these two to make 8. Now we need a 36 to go in here and here. So really our choices are 36 and 1, or maybe 6 and 6. 36 would be too big. Let's try 6 and 6. Or yeah, it could also be 4 and 9 as well. 4 and 9. If I put a 9 here, that makes a 72.
Yeah.
And if I put a 4 here, it makes a 4, which
Yeah.
makes 76 then. Okay. So that's it there. Oh, you couldn't quite see. Yeah. Okay. 5, the answer was wrong, so I deleted it. But what I changed it to, I fixed it. It should have said this. That's what I was supposed to have. So I won't do this. What you can do is you can try this yourself, because you haven't tried it yet. Okay. 6. This one you did have. 2x squared plus 8x plus 10. You have to complete the square. So you should take the 2 out. X squared plus 4x plus 5. And then it's half the middle number. And then it's 5 minus the square of this. So the answer here is 2, 2 and 1.
No, teacher.
No.
It has like pattern.
Oh.
It doesn't have a factor.
2x squared plus 2 squared plus 2.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. So the answer is 2, 2 and 2.
I forget to multiply 2.
That's okay, so did I. We won't make that mistake again. Okay. 7. X squared minus 2x plus 1. My question is, where does it cross the x-axis? Y equals 0, yeah. Can I factorize this? I think I can.
Yeah. Where?
Yeah. That's the answer. Okay. Now, I think a lot of people, or some people, misread the next one. I said, listen carefully, this quadratic has 2 roots. One which is negative and the other which is blank. Yeah, so I wanted the positive answer here. Some people gave me the negative answer. So here we have x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we want the positive answer here. What is that? Does anyone have a calculator handy? And I want 3SF. What is it? Do you know SF?
0.618.
0.618. I'll explain to you now, Hanukkah, SF. So if you have something like 12.3462, 3 SF means 1, 2, 3. 12.3. Now if this was a 9, of course, it'd be 12.4 then. So SF you count from here, the left. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Nine. Kx squared plus 3k minus 5x plus 2k minus 8. How many roots? Discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac. 9k squared minus 30k plus 25 minus 8k squared plus 32k. That's k squared minus 2k plus 25. No? Plus, thank you. Thank you. That's equal. Come back. Right. Where was I? Here. That's equal to. Oh, come on. Yes. I'll have to wait for the password. Wait. Wait. Nearly. There we go. Okay. That's equal to k minus 1 squared plus 24. Yeah? Minus 1. Oh, sorry, because this was, yeah. So that should be now, yeah, plus 24, like this. Yeah, yeah. This is a positive, this is a positive. It can never be 0. So it's definitely 2 roots. Continue. Now, number 10, 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x minus 2, and I wanted the factors. And I said to use long division. But, if you are quite smart, which maybe you are, maybe, I did say maybe. You can do this without long division if you think about it. Because if you think about it, if I multiply this, and multiply this, I should get this. If that's a 1 and that's a 1, then this has to be a 2. if I multiply this, I multiply this, and I multiply this, what should I get? Minus 2. If that's a minus 1, and that's a plus 1, then there should be 2. And that's the answer. Now, how many people did that? Now, if you do the long division, you get the same answer. But this is quicker. Is there a quick way to do the next one? Oh, you use long division for which one? This? A 10 or 11?
11.
11? Oh.
It's quick.
It is quick?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, actually, I guess it could be pretty quick, because it's only a quadratic.
Yeah, I tried.
Okay, I think I'll do it that way for fun. Okay, in number 11, we did number 11 in class. The way I'm going to do it now is a different way, just so you can see another way to do it, okay? So for number 11, you could do it like this. 6x squared plus 13x plus 6. I tell you it's a factor of 6x cubed plus 19x squared plus px plus q. So this here has to be an x. Has to be. So that's 6x cubed plus 13x squared. Plus 6x. So this leaves me with 6x
squared p minus 6
x plus q. Now this...
It's the same. P minus 6 equals 13.
Yeah, well this has to be 1. So this makes 6x squared plus 13x plus 6. And this has to be 0. So P minus 6 has to be 13. And Q has to be 6. So P has to be 19. I like it. Yeah, this is actually a lot better than the other way for this type. And maybe I made the exam too easy. Okay. 13 coming up next. Is it 13? No, 12. This one has to be long division.
Yeah, long division.
Has to be. Okay. 12. X minus 1 divided into 4x cubed plus 8x squared minus 3x minus 9. So that's a 4x squared. So that's a 4x cubed minus 4x squared. 12x squared minus 3x minus 9. Okay, well that has to be a 12x. Yeah, 12x squared minus 12x. 9x minus 9. So that has to be a 9. I can factorize this as 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. Same answer. So, the answer is x equals minus 1.5 is the other root. And x equals 1. These are the roots. Yeah?
1.5.
Yeah, minus 1.5. Yeah. Okay, can I go on to 13 now?
Yeah.
So what am I giving? 13, I ask you, where does this meet with this? So I need to solve these. So I get minus 7x plus 5 equals minus 7x squared minus 7x plus 5. And that's nice, because cancel, 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 cancel. Right?
Yeah.
X equals 0, y equals
5.
I definitely made this exam too easy, for sure. Okay, 14 next. Continue. 14. How many solutions, integer solutions, does this equation have? I will minus 18 from everything. I'll take 18 from everything, yeah? So that's minus 24, 3x, and minus 6.
Teacher.
Yeah.
It's minus 18.
Oh, minus 18, thank you. So I should add 18 to everything. So that would be 12. And then that is 30. Yeah. Then I shall divide by minus 3. So that's a minus 4 greater than x greater than minus 10. Yeah. So you're looking at from minus 10 to minus 4. So that's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. These are all the answers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers. So 5 is the answer. Okay, continue. 15. What is the sum of the fifth row? So, the first row, the total is a 1. The second row, it's a 2. The third row, the 0 row, first row, second row, what that's 4. 8. 16. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see what's happening here. The next row will be a 32 for the next one. Okay. 16. Blank x minus blank power 7 equals 128 x7 minus 1344 x6. Now just remember, when you expand here, if I call this, for example, A and I call this B, then what you'll have here is 7C0, A7, X7. And then the next one will be plus 7C1, A6B with a minus, X6. So we get this equals 128. So A equals 2. And this is minus 1344. So you have 7, 2, 6 minus B. That's a B. Equals minus 1344. 2 power 6 is 64, isn't it? So B equals 1344 over 7 times 64. 1344 divided by 7 goes in once. 6 left over. 7 nines are 62, isn't it? 7 goes into 24 4 times. No, what am I doing? I'm too hungry. What's this, please? 1344 over 7 times 64. Tell me, please. I'm so hungry. I need help. What?
3.
It's 3? Thank you. Okay, 17 now. 17. What is the x cubed coefficient here? So the x cubed coefficient, we have a 3, a -2, a 7c, and this one needs to be a 3, so this one has to be a 4, and this one's a 3. 2, 4, 8, 16 times 27 times whatever 7c3 is the answer. So what is this now? What's this, please? Anyone got it?
15120.
15120. Okay. Thank you. Right. 18. What is the limit? So the way you find the limit here, if you remember from class, is you have to solve this basically. So if you multiply by x, you get x squared equals x plus 1 squared minus x minus 1. X equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4c all over 2. But because I tell you to start at 1, it means these will all be positive. So the limit should be positive as well. So the limit is 1 plus root 5 over 2, which is something like 1.61.
Yeah.
Oh no, 3 decimal places. I need one more, don't I? 1.618 is the answer here. Yeah? What's wrong? You look confused.
I maybe got the wrong.
That's okay, I forgive you. Right, the next one. N equals minus 9 to 9 n cubed. For the smart people, you should have seen that this was 0.
Yeah.
Because what you have here is minus 9 cubed plus minus 8 cubed, etc. all the way to 0 cubed plus 1 cubed plus all the way up to 8 cubed plus 9 cubed. So for example, this here will cancel with that, and this one will cancel with that, leaving you with 0. Now you could have typed the whole thing in the calculator, but at the end you will get 0.
What if the number is different?
Then not 0, of course, yeah. But I mean, you could be really sneaky, and if you had something like this, minus 9 to 12, then you can see that that's the same as just 10 to 12.
Oh yeah.
So you can be sneaky. Yeah. Okay, last one. 20. Did anybody get this? A machine needs oil, but because it leaks, it needs 2% more each year. So in the first year it needs 1 barrel. In the second year it needs 1.02 barrels. And 1.04 something, whatever. So each year it's increasing by 1.02. However, the price is also increasing. Firstly, it costs 1.533 a barrel, but then each year the price increases by 3%. So the next year will be this multiplied by 3%. And then the next year multiplied by 3% again. What is the total? Well, the total is what you get when you multiply these two, because this is the quantity and this is the price. So what you have is, you have 51.33 And then the next one is 1.02, 1.03, 51.33. And then the next one is 1.02 squared, 1.03 squared, 51.33. So what is this? Well, this is a GP. A GP where A equal to 51.33, or equal to 1.02, 1.03, and N equals 10. So S10 is A 1 minus or N over 1 minus or. Whatever that is. And I'll borrow a calculator for a second, please. Thank you. Let's see what we get. €660.05. Yeah? Huh? So too easy, in fact, too easy. Do you have this written down? Okay, so listen, I know this exam was probably a little bit hard for you to do because you have to do the questions so quickly. So you can do the exam again if you want. I think it's a good idea. You can practice it again during the break. You should also work on your maths coursework during the break as well. Yeah? So you can make good use of this time. Is this your last class of the day? Are you going to the quiz at 1:30? No? No interest? No interest?
I don't have the read about Halloween.
Halloween is not it's not a religious thing.
Yeah, well,
No, it's not. Which religion, tell me? Which religion is it?
I think if the party is held in there, I will go, but in there are kids.
Well, it's a table quiz. Do you know what a table quiz is?
Table quiz is
Yeah, you're in teams. Yeah, but we're not going to give you like math questions. We're going to give you,
Jobs.
yes.
Or movie questions, like for example,
Movie, I will go.
because we have different rounds, so round 1 might be sport, and round 2 might be movies. Yeah, round 3 might be geography.
Good.
There isn't a maths round. Yeah? Nobody's going? That's so sad. Oh, that's nice. What is your best topic, Hanukkah? Sport, movies, geography, history, movies? Okay, good. And what about you? What's your best topic? You must have one. Come on, something. Sport? Do you know his best topic? No. Cartoons? Dragon Ball? Okay. Well, maybe I'll see some of you later today. If I don't see you, have a good break. Okay? Alright. Yeah, it's the last class. There's nothing else for me to do.
Teacher, we came to school at 9 o'clock.
And you had no class?
Yeah, and we played snooze. We played snooze.
Oh, good.
Yeah, and when we come out, we saw PS4 and Xbox.
So you stayed. What was your first class?
No.
This is your
Yeah, this is my
only class.
Yeah.
By the way,
I feel so special.
go to